How to view your blocked contact list on Shein app. Are you guys facing issues to view your blocked contact list on Shein application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on the setting icon which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on block contact list. Over there, you'll be able to view the block contact list. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna see a block contact list on Shein application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.